Uptown Swing, solo jazz, level improv. I'm Maddie. You guys did great today. We learned a couple of new moves, upping the complexity just a little bit. We learned a mambo step where we went a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We talked about being able to take it forwards, backwards, playing with it a little bit. We also learned a fall off the log, which looked like 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finally, we did a half break. That was probably the most challenging one, so if you struggled with that one, try it a bunch at home. It shows up in a bunch of other things. That one, we had our ooh, ooh, ah, ba-doo, ooh, ooh, ah, ba-doo. Usually they come in pairs. Then we talked about doing some Franken steps where we took pieces from one step and put it together with another step. Some examples that we started with our fall off the logs. We had fall off the step, box, step, fall off the step, box, step. We also talked about how to do fall off the log, boogie, drop, fall off the log, boogie, drop. And we talked about in order to get this to loop, we had to do a little bit of fancy footwork to make sure that we could get it to loop. And with that in mind, we gave ourselves a couple of parameters, and then we made our own Franken steps. So we wanted it to fit in 8 counts, and we wanted it to be repeatable, so we can't just go drifting off into nothing. You guys did great. We had a bunch of good ones. Keep it up. We're going to learn more next week. Goodbye.